irresistible sticky banana and date cake. This recipe is a peanut butter lover's dream and a perfect treat for the whole family. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then grease a 5 cm deep 20 by 26 cm cake pan and line the base and sides with baking paper. Then take your dates and place them in a medium saucepan with boiling water and set them over a medium-high heat. Bring to the boil, then remove from the heat and stir in the bicarbonate of soda. Pour everything into a heat-proof bowl and set aside to cool. Meanwhile, add the butter and half the caster sugar to a bowl of an electric mixer. Beat until pale and creamy, then add the eggs one at a time, beating well before adding the next one. Add the date mixture, flour, ginger, and cinnamon to the egg mixture and fold until everything is well combined. Then pour into the prepared pan. Cut the bananas in half lengthways and place on top of the batter, cut side up. Pop in the oven and bake for 1 hour or until a skewer inserted in the centre comes out clean. Set aside in the pan for 5 minutes to cool before transferring to a wire rack. While the cake is cooling, place the extra butter and peanut butter in a bowl of an electric mixer and beat until pale and creamy. Add the icing sugar in batches, beating until everything is well combined. Then pour in the cream and beat until even and smooth. Once your cake has cooled completely, spread the peanut butter frosting over the top and drizzle the cake with salted caramel topping. Finish with a sprinkle of caramel popcorn. Next time you get the urge to bake, whip up this moist banana and date cake and get stuck in.